Andu etu muriaga muno na mbitagwa Peter Mwaniki wa Kiurwa Kirandu kana wa Kiugia aria mambici thiini wa mbere wetu ni Kiambere na video ino nirenda kumika na kimbere tondu nirenda kwaririria maundu makonie wetu mbere na muno muno nirenda kinyire wa mundu wothe waragia na rũthiomi rũu niguo tuvote kwereanwa koguo ni ndumira kimbere kwa wingi muno. Video ino niramika nundu wa kwigua nina tundu ningienda gukinyira andu engi aria tutangivota kuonana ava kwa ava kana metho kwa metho riu na no amakore makivota gukinyira na kurumiriria thiini wa mtandao akorwo mundu ena ciuria kimburia ciuria na wana nginya akorwo ni kwaraniria na thimu ingi angikorwo ni kaundu uregua ungienda gakorwo ingitheria muno zaidi na gwatani nenda gutugwatani ta mundu wa mucii ni mundu wa mbere mumbere mundu mwonangu uria maundu mathiite na mbere na mamwe riu maria niregua ningiaririria muno muno nenda kwaririria maundu mathatu. Nimenda gukorwo ngiaririria undu ukonie development and leadership kana niyo uthii wa na mbere na utongoria thiini wa mbere na muno muno nenda kwaria thiini wa mbere no eto ya mbere south tondu riu kuu nikuo nyumite na nikuo riu mbere eto nikuo muno na nikuo nireciria kwina maundu matari marakinyanira koguo ningwaririria uhoro konie utongoria na uthii wa na mbere kuma thuana baria baracanginagia baria turi na ninguciuka mbaririria undu ukonie urumwe tondu gukoragwo gukirwa andu makorwo mena urumwe mbapo niyo itagwa unity na ninguciuka mbaririria kaundu kengi bigucaga kiariririo muno gegwitwa mithiriga ninguvecana mawoni makwa undu ukonie mithiriga na watuthiite na mbere riu tugakorwo tugiciukaniria na andu na kuona kana nitugukorwo tugitikania kana gwoca maundu maria turegua me mega tumathithie na mbere na gitumi kia nduta video na kwaririria maundu mau nundu ni umwe wa aria mbigucaga mendete mbere gwetu muno na ni umwe wa kuroria ngiona kwi maundu matathiite kuringana na uria kwagirire nundu tariu niratara ngiroria history kuma riu twagwatirio uhuru miaka 60 bau na ningendangite nindorangitie kundu na kundu ngigeria gukompea ngathi kumwe ngethirwa na ni kundu kupia nondu wa mwanya muno tukiuga kwa njira nguthi kundu wana gucoku kuri na kugwetu ngi gucoka in terms of kuga services ura ikoragwo ithiana icio kundu gwita wari gwacoka tondu ni kware magwikarika kana gutire karika na kiwango kiria kiagirire na thiuruka nginyagia Kenya ni muthiurukangu muno ngiroria ngiona na kundu kumwe matari mave ni ngai itheo ta iria twina cio thiini wa mbere no riu maundu ta mau haroria ukiona ati kuri andu ni marageria kwivota na kigiao na ni mareka maundu mamwe mavinya muno na ukithira wa compare kana wageria kurorania na gwetu ni withira kuri kindu gwetu tutari nakio na riu maundu ngiaria riu tundu tumwe tu ni tuonguvecana maoni makwa kuringana na uria nireciria twagirwo ni gukorwo tugika kana tutekaga niguo tukorwo tuthiana ta andu aria tariu ni ndite ngiroria ngiona undu konie unity twaumire kwina rwimbo rwa gukorwo ati tuke vamwe mbere tuke vamwe twagirwo ni gukorwo vamwe na kiugo kiu unity ni kiugo na kithungu ni tuga ni elusive yani nitakuthigata riera nitariera tukorwo tukithi tuthigatite kana ndogo na riu unity utondu kuringana uria andu makoragwo makiaririria ati tuke vamwe tuthi vamwe tugwatane vamwe niguo twike undu muna withira riu baria tukoretwo tutekuvunguria ni atiriri na kulingana na experience yakwa na maoni makwa na kuria ndutaga wira na kuria thiurukite magururi na kundu kindu kiu gitwa unity in humanity is elusive. Na niru ngichioka nondu akorwa ngikorwa na experience yo tari ngithi kundu ngithira ndi imwe andu mararwa na amwe mararwa na nwithira ni family imwe ukithi ukithira riu ana akorwa ni tura ni riatukanire koguo riu ngicioka ngiona nyamu iyo iretwa unity urumwe nundu uvinya ukorwa uvo na riu tondu nundu uvinya ukorwa uvo ni ngiciria uria twagiriirwo ni gwika kana uria mundu agiriirwo ni gwika ni atiriri tondu mundu ndungigwatikana uri umwe uri umugima ugu andu makorwa makienda nundu arurua na mbara wana family ni irarwa mbara family ni iramenana riu ri koguo ni kuga kindu gigwitwa unity kiria twagiriirwo ni kuroria ni majority andu aria marechiria gukorwa mena idea mweri ni megana ugu twagiriirwo ni gukorwa tukiaririria uboro wa namba iyo ya andu mena objective kana mena maono makoni mundu mwega mangikorwo ni magwatana megana ona gikundi kigana ona gwiciria ugu nigu twagiriirwo ni kuthii yani kiria athungu mauga uboro wa majority ugu riu tugitiga kuvunjia uboro wa kuga tukorwe turi na urumwe tuvunjie kuga atiriri undu uria tuona umwega ni andu mega na mekunga mkono tondu atariu andu maruga magaitiri thiini wa mbere kwithira akorwo ni gitukia mbunge ni maruga mandu 12 andu 20 na no makuma na ni onde ni makuma ku area emwe na no akorwo na ni meshene lakini maga matingitikira mundu kana iri megana maruga huko ni kuonania people have divergent ideas na ochuniguo umundu koguo tutigate time na mathaa mengi tukivunjia kivunjio gitangiumira ni mengi kuvunjia kivunjio kia riri ni tuthie na mbere atia ni tuthie na mbere akorwo kaundu aka karetwo ni mwaniku akiugia ni kono agekega aria engi mekuga ni kega gagitwarithwo koguo ndikwenda guta mathaa mengi muno ngiariririo uboro wa unity in my own opinion ne tutige kwambiria kwina rwimbo rwa unity ne twine progress na development aria mekwenda kujoin idea iria mbega tukinjoin gamwe aria mekurega no sawa itondu no nginyo kure kwina aria mara support na aria mara gutigo support koguo riu ni rita mundu mwe wendete gukorwa ngiona mbere ikithie na mbere especially mbere south nginyagia kugwetu ni mendete ngiona maundu maria magiriirwo ni gukorwa mema community makithie na mbere idea yakwa ni ati idea kaundu gahoka kega akorwo ni mutongoria wao kana kaundu kega aria mekurumiriria akorwo ni mo mengi marumiririe na kathie na mbere okay tutigeterera ati riu andu othe magahoka kuga monthe ni mara support mwaniku akiugie monthe ni mara support ngania monthe ni mara support ngania uguo ndugakandika koguo ni to concentrate na riri innovative ideas idea iria ikwiyumiria kuma kuri community ikubata community korena ena uwezo oni narikia ba unity uguo ni utongoria wakwa kuvunjia uboro wa innovation ideas gukorwa ni na youth ni na andu young andu diverse andu mena idea nyingi iyoka ikigwa pamwe riu igitioka igichunjwa iria igukorwa imbega na ina relevance ya community icio ni citwa no gutwarithia mbere bovengira bone ati ongitara rwimbo ni twinaga muno kuma 1963 twagwata independence even before it's 1963 mbere south yari imwe iria yagwatire kibendera for the longest time ndungitara marehemu JJ Nyaga niyo wari nginyagia Lechko akirepresentaga mbere na akirepresentaga the entire entire Kirinyaga koguo nitakuga ni twari mbere twari mustari wa mbere maundu uri makoni kuthondeka kiria kiagirire thiini wa Kenya riu kiuria ni atiriri twatigirwe ba ngiangithikwo ni twari nginyagia Lechko that was before 1960 in the 50s late 50s okay kuma late 50s tukiingira independence up to where we are now. Twari aria mari mubarire wa mbere na maundu maria monthe makoretwo magitwa maendeleo thiini wa Kenya, twagire gukorwo turi mubarire ucio wa mbere. Riu kiuria ni atiriri, twatigirwo bana twakurire bamwe na andu aria engi tondu twakaya. For example, twakaya ni manji miaka 60, twakaya ni thitima miaka 60, na riu thitima kwanza turakaya ikiuma gwetu, manji mau turakaya nimo turakaya mabitukirite gwetu mathiite gwite Kambuari kuria marathii mana. Tugikaya ni kithomo na turakaya ni kithomo tukigagirwa mbia ta andu aria engi monthe thiini wa Kenya. Tukikaya ni health, tugikaya nginyagia, yani turakaya ni everything. Takwa twerirwo atiriri mugekaraga Kenya rwere muri mbere, Kenya no ingi kithie na mbere. Riu ukithira riu mukairi ucio wetu wana kuvandu twariji na thuri twari na mutongoria umwe agituria itondu mukaire au mbere mukiugaga muri marginalized ri. Who marginalized you? Tondu ingi twaga yanga marginalized yanga andu yanga ni mundu ji atukonie na kibuko kimwe aturirie riu ri no ri who marginalized you? Murauga ni mwatengiro ni. If there is somebody who tengered you, ucio ni we mwagirwo ni kuthii kwita murogi wenyu nondu ni wa murogire tondu gutiba andu bana andikwa nginya bukure nginya constitutional ati mbere mwene mwatengwa riu mutige kati. Okay, riu mundu ucio riu atwira uguo niona akirire akiuga na tukwa na mwirana nae. I just told him, my brother, you've said it. The problem is us. Thina ni thwi. Okay, thina yetu ni thwi wenyewe. Sisi wenyewe ndio tumejipatia hiyo tabu, na we are the ones to blame. Etondo angithikura atiriri thiini wa constitution ni tuthuranaga ta Kenya iria ingi ndio ndikuri nditwanerwa mwiru Kenya ikithurana mutithurana abana tuthuranaga ta andu aria ingi mondo riu tubitagiria bau ni bori unirenda ni nirita mwana kugakiugia ku dwell on ngiugaga atiriri mabitia te mathirikari nondu thirikari nini nawe aya no wauka no werwa riu thirikari ino ni arikia wira iria ingi ni mbuku uka tucharie. Koguo the problem is us. Thina ni yetu tondu ni twaugire atiriri tutiche gucaria amini mutongoria uria wagirwo ni gututongoria na gututwara kuria tukwenda, tutiche kuria tukwenda kuthii. In short, we do not know exactly what we want as Mbere people or as Mbere South people. Every time, every 5 years, we have no focus, we actually have no objective, and indeed, no vision. Tondu riu ri wakinya gwaku mundu akorwo ni kwa ukakuria kibaro ukakuria kibaro umuragia riu mundu ukakuria kibaro akiandu aikura na ukakuria kibaro akia urithi okay riu ri ningukuria kiuria kimwe igiri ithatu ni sawa aikura ni sawa kiambiriria kiuria riu mundu ri wanarithia bandu warithagia kwao na kwao. Okay, na mburi iria withitie nyingi muno ri ni ta ciigana riu ri kwenyu niku wa miaka igana mbere ya urithi kana ndu wingi wana rweka nuriku riu ciuria icio urauria mundu ucio ni jiru andu metaga interview, trying to get to know the person better to see whether the person suits where arauka kuria kuwa niguo ndungiambiriria kuandika mundu wirwo urithi na wira wake ni waki wa nyumba. Okay, so equally akorwo nĩ atongoria tũraoka kũthura kana kũthiĩ gwĩ tũkwenda kũthura nĩ kwa tũkoragwo tũkĩandĩka, but we've never taken that role ourselves. Okay, tũkaga tũkĩmetaga waheshimiwa kĩthĩra nĩ tũramaturĩria maru, na nĩmo magĩrĩirwo gũka magĩtũturĩria maru agĩikara thĩ mau ũkĩmwĩra rĩu let me assess who you are and whether you are fit to be my leader, tondũ nĩrenda ũtuĩke mũtongoria wakwa nĩguo maũndũ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makorwo magĩkĩka thĩinĩ wa, let's say for example constituency thĩinĩ wa ward. So it is us who are supposed to determine and draw out a strategy plan of the activities and the outcomes that we want in our own constituency, in our own ward. And mundu akorwo commit the basic qualification cia deliver kile twakorwo twandika kana kile twauga, then you move to the next person. Okay, we don't do that. Tutiroragia maundu mau nĩ twatere kana we ignored that, and that is why time in time out tutura gwa baria tukinaga rwea rwitagwo rwa 27 kana kimbere kondaci yetagwo muthigio. Haya tugitura bo tutwecage iguru rwa mathiga na miti iguru tukiugaga mbu tugitetaga tukirumanaga tukiuga ng'ania ndangikanda ng'ania ndangitwikira karugano cyaka ati andu mwongie kana muthuri uria wetagwo mwaganu muno eturari wira wake wakoragwo ati kirauko engigua ati aruria na aramuka kirauko tene ngukiagamba agitwethige iguru akiambiria guteta akirumanaga riu ri ateta akirumanaga abitiritwe ni mundu umwe eturari ithenya ria arauka kwa mundu uci eturari amwira mundu we kana mwarwangania ubititio nona watwethige iguru warika kugutuka bau kiugaga mbu kitetaga ukirumanaga irumi iria cietagwo mundu irumi cia ngugu iria itiraho itigwataga ndu itigwataga rwigi riu viri uthini wa mbere muno sawa tutora turumanaga irumi icio na nithwe twatere mbao. Riu in short kana ngikuthithia ni atiriri utongoria na uthii wa na mbere udrivagwa ni community. Kuti mundu kuma na vale atiri twage na uma na vale auke na agenda yake waku ati haigura riu ni kwa na auka kuthondekera nona. That is not leadership. No jua na mutongoria. Okay, no ndu riu kwa mfano angiuka na auka kiuga na agenda yake agakorwo militete kana kaundu kau arenda guka kuvingia guko wakire ni kaundu kari kukau uteciwe kana utetekanitie nake twatikanie maundu ni ana ndikwenda uthiwika maundu vote nirenda maundu mathatu thiini wa miaka 5 bingiria maundu maya mathatu mwitikanitie mwe community right from the village level all the way to the constituency level. And the day we will hold that, the day we will dictate what we really want, that is the day which will be our turning point in Mbere South. Mundu uyu wagiriirwo ni kuambiririo kuma the village level. Tukivitia muno wathani uria waturaku wa mbere ni twaukire tugita ni gweta kwari kindu gietagwo Ngome. Today I don't think anybody knows how Ngome was established. Okay, twaukire riu tukiambiria ku personalize such things. What was Ngome? Ngome ri yathura gwata ikinye niguo yage ni kutuika ati athuri acio no mekwaririria maundu ma mbere. That is one. With the modern days we are even supposed to have youth league kwa mfano. League ya youth ambayo ina mentorship ni nipo tondu youth okuru utigagira withi. Okay, in Mbere we are supposed to have strong and community driven women league. Okay, etondu riu maundu mau makakorwo matirauma na guku mambatete, then we will still sing the same song for the next 120 years to come, generation after generation. Riu in my own thinking is that no anginya to re-engineer, we have to re-engineer, no nginya tucioke baria ngirori niguo tucioke tuthondeke na tuke riu nondu uria ukoni the true development of our communities, and this needs to be drastic. It is drastic, okay? Na nivo riu nirauga atiriri, then when we talk of leadership, we look at the qualities of leadership and not this man is from my clan, this man is from my family, this man is my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law, and that should not be there when we are determining who can deliver leadership progressively in our community. Riu neva nengwariria kaundu kamwe monaga, in my own opinion, kabitetua na common. Nitora tukiuga mbu mbiguite mbu kuma na ciaro no ni mwikaru miaka miganu ya gukorwa na understand na ni ndomete kimbere na mbere yetu proper, and I actually, in my own opinion, know where we have failed. Tariu, for 60 years, tuina rwimbo rwa Mabirega in a very bad way. Tukiuga angangania ni wa aretire Mabirega ogahania andu. Tukima bau anga ngania ni wa akire Mabirega anga tudike Mabirega. All that to me is no and our community ungiga ko giweka na selfish arm in it, then you will not achieve. Okay? Dio nitokire tukigwata ati ngania no akire aretire Mabirega gitogahania. What did we do about it? People blame others. People say so and so used Mabirega in akigani ando. It is true and it is very wrong. Angikoro no mungu fulani no atumire Mabirega okigani ando. Then what did us, me and you now, to realize Mabirega was no atumirwa nae? What have we done, me and you, to correct that? Okay? It is like, for example, mundu athondekire mushinga wathondekire wa gwikathe wa could defend yourself, okay, against an enemy. But if you use it to commit suicide or kill your family, then that becomes a serious issue that should be addressed. And that's why there are laws, for example. That's why when somebody uses this gun that was invented to come and protect, it misuses it to kill and kunyanyasa wengine, nikio aukaga agitwarwa bandu bene. Riu dwi tondu mundu fulani no akatumira Mabirega na iri, do you start blaming Mabirega? Angithigua no ambira ni kabiuni twa kaga kuthinja na ni ng'ombe tukwenda kuthinja mundu agigoca akiria kimundu ure wengire, do you say kabiuni ko gacu? No, it is the user. Kogulu, there is no way and nobody, and I'm yet to see ure ukandetere conviction ambereidi ambere ati mbere Mabirega kana Mabirega ni michuku. To me, that is a very retrogressive thinking. Mabirega wachoka niki. Let me see somebody who will bring me a Mabirega fulani au rugamie bare barabarali aravuri uambiririe kuthiukiru maganda Mabirega ucio thiukiru maganda kiuga nimbe tagwa Mabirega mona na andu onthe ne pumba. There is no Mabirega that will do that. Mabirega is me and you, and we are the spoilers. We are misusing it. We are misusing clanism to discriminate people. We are using clans to meet our selfish and egoistic things. So when we are rogi, Mabirega tegumurogi. Okay? So for me, I'm still saying, no anginyanga kwata mundu convince ati Mabirega ni mushuku. So far I have not had anybody. No one has been able to convince me that Mabirega ni mushuku. Now I can never denounce my Mabirega. Tondo I've moved all over the world, and I've found people, men and Mabirega, Fulani, Wadi, Israel, all over. The problem is the people. No, and I'm proud of that. I'm proudly saying that. Mami wa Mogwe, which is Ngugi, I'm told. I have no problem about that. Okay? And I don't mind. Okay? my sisters makigurwa in so many other all over, nani ngigura na all over, okay, through my cousins, my nephews and all that. So for me, I cherish Muviriga tondo niguo ogutuma mwana wakwa ndakathi kugura mwaro wa nyina, which was one of the most fantastic thing that Muviriga was doing to take care of families and to ensure that Mbere remained strong. Na bau Mbere ndungithoma wigu ati ko bandu ati Muviriga kumbare na roya Muviriga. I've tried to research and if bandu na negua ndiguite ati Muviriga mona wathithukire Muviriga mono makirika kurwa. That I've never heard. And up to now, and as I said, I think I've lived here for a while. Nenengiguite kundu Muviriga mona wathithukire Muviriga mona kana itaya Muviriga mona ikithithukira Muviriga mona makithi kurwa kana makiuragana. The only thing I heard was that riria thina yagia mbere muno Muviriga ni aukaga bamwe ikiuga ni kuthi gwikatha ni kuthi kuthathaia Ngai niguo maundu machenji, which is nikiro kwera riu andu a Muviriga mona magenda kuhoera bandu bana na engi makithi kuhoera bandu bana, which was a fantastic thing. Na mauka magiuka makinjoin bamwe makinukia idari musi, and then I'm told after that the blessings would come. Kutiva ndo na thoma kana na negua teriwa ati andu mauma ku makithi kana gira makena na gama ikarate. So it is us who have come to demonize Muviriga. Lastly, about Muviriga, I would say we have continued to misunderstand it. Nginyagiwa na elite. Tariu ongiurua, there is an activity that happened in Nyangwa. I purposely did not attend it, though I was not convinced. I did not get the context. Na regire kuwata context yone hua ate kwerirwe ni kuthika Muviriga. Riu ngirigwa riu no thika Muviriga ne wakamuvia ni thika niguo mbagendui. I didn't know that. So we are misleading even the youth. Wanarea nini turama misleading. No ndu turama misleading kubera Muviriga ni mushoku. Na Muviriga waure na teguo mushoku. In fact, to me, that function should not have been kuganito guta Muviriga kuthikana guta. How can ungeta Muviriga honestly? Guta Muviriga how? Giuta. Dua auto gitigwa na ndu. Uria tungia ugire guta Muviriga. Tungia ugire kwa turageria guta maundu monde maria mekagwa contrary to humanity, contrary to miturire ya mundu ugwitwo mumbere. Angikorwo wamena mwana uria wingi tondu twa mundu wa Muviriga waku we ukirwa we riwe niwe tugukas, we are going to curse you and condemn you because Muviriga was never meant to create enmity. Okay, koguo I would wish us to correct that narrative na tuge atirire Muviriga kiria tuguta na kiria tugukondemn na kiria tukuga gitukathie na mbere ni kugwata leaders aria marathi gutumira Muviriga in terms of dividing people, and we have to speak openly about it. Tariu andu mauka kuria kura wanginya urie mundu wewe wa Muviriga uriko agikwira angiambirie kugia giugu mwira wewe you are a hypocrite. Nundu tariu urio witagwa atia angiambirie kuga riu ni nduiche gwetu ni kiambere wa urio witagwa atia bitagwa Peter Mwaniki wakiugia kana wakiro kirambi kiuria gia kairu kiurua wa Muviriga uriku ngiuga ni wa Muviriga wakamuvia kiuria gia kathatu ngiurua atiriri mwana utari wa mukamuvia ngiuka gwitia mbasa riri no kambiriria kungengengenge. Then I should answer that, and as you answer this you should answer in front of the villagers. Okay,